Hello, my name is Sandeep, and I've got my colleague with me. Her name is
Harman.
and we are employees of Indus Community Services. We work at Adult program at Matheson site, Mississauga. And today we have got a very simple activity, art and craft activity, where we can do a basket out of a waste material. So I'll run through you with some of the materials. What you need is one cardboard. This is cardboard. You can get it from a grocery store, or you can any cardboard deliveries you get from Amazon. You can get take those cardboard. We have some. You can have some string, maybe a jute string or a thick wool. Anything will do. Of course, a glue gun you will need it, and if you don't have a glue gun, you can always use a gum, and then an old piece of cloth, maybe a T-shirt. So I will hand it over to Harman now, and she will run through the simple activity, how it is done.
Now we have to prepare a base for the basket. So first what we have to do, take a long piece of cardboard, and you just have to make it, roll it like this way, so easily you can fold it. So after that, open it and glue it with glue gun, or if you have a gum, then you can use that gum, but I have glue gun, so it's easy for me to use this. So overlap, and now next what you have to do, take another small piece of cardboard and make the big one piece on the top of the small piece, and draw a circle because we need base for this basket. So draw a circle. So after that we can cut that piece in a circle. Take a scissor and cut it, and I have already with me, I just draw it, and it so I'm gonna show it. This is the final paper. So now we have to again put little glue on the sides, to paste those both pieces together. So yeah, now if you have any extra sides, you can cut it with the scissor, but already we cut it in a circle, so it's ready. So what next we have to do, paste jute around this structure. So we can start it from the bottom. So we can start this way. So it will take little time. We have to continue paste this rope around the structure because it takes little time, so that's why I already prepared one. So we have to continue paste this around all over the bottom, and then we have to go up and this way. So I already prepared one for my video. So this way it comes like this. So now we're gonna complete our top part. So I just paste like this way, and it's easy for us to only, I think, 2 more. rounds we need to paste it, and then after that we are okay. You don't need to put glue for whole circle, just partially you can put little and then you can paste it. Almost we are close to finish it. It's almost done. This is our final product, like after putting rope all around the base. So this is the final product, and now I have to glue handles for the basket. So take little piece of rope and put glue inside, so easily we can paste one side, and I have to do glue it from other side too. So, and after putting handles on, so next and the final thing what we have to need, we have to take any t-shirt. So I just cut the upper part of the t-shirt, and now I have to fold it, and we just need to glue this t-shirt all around the top of the basket with the glue. You have to do it slowly because you need to paste it together.
Yeah.
I almost glue all over the cloth inside the basket. If you have extra cloth, so you can adjust it, like fold it and adjust it on the sides, so it's easy, like this way. And the same thing we have to do on other side too. That's done. And for the bottom, we have to just adjust this and glue this all together, so it's easy for the first little glue inside the basket, then just glue all So this is our final product. Now our basket is ready. So it's ready to use now. Whatever the extra cloth, I just fix it inside the basket with the glue gun, and we can use this basket in our washroom for the tissue rolls, or in the makeup room, or in the living room we can keep our magazines. So whatever your extra stuff, you can put it in this basket and keep it. And yeah, that's our final basket. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoy this video.